Hello. Okay, so you just downloaded Retrospective and this is what you're looking at here. And you're wondering, well, what's the next step? The easiest thing to do is to go and drag a local file. Just take any old log file that you've got and put it on there. It creates a profile for you. You can see the profile by going down to this panel here, which is like a welcome panel with some easy options. And you can see that you've got a profile there with your file on it. If we go back to that tab, you'll see you've got a search option or a tail option. Let's just do a search. By the way, you could have renamed this by naming it, I don't know, test, for example. And then you just start. You could have obviously searched for something here, a particular term, but at the moment we're just doing search. You can see here you've got all the results, and if you click on one of these, you'll see below you've got the detailed results down at the bottom here, what we call the detailed data display. Okay, let's say this is a local search on a local log file. Let's say you want to do a tail on a remote log file. Let's see how we can do that. Okay, the first thing we need to do is add a profile. Let's go to that profile. Then we want to add a source. So let's add a remote machine, and we'll go here. And put in the password and user. Okay, then we click on that, and then we have to navigate through. Very quickly, it's found all the directories and so on in the file system. So we go through the directory structure here to find the file that we're looking for, that we want to do a tail on. Oops, wrong way. And now we're looking for a server log. Okay, let's take that one there. And we add that. Okay, now we've got that. We can open up a new tab by using the plus over here. And we can go to that profile. We can click tail. And then we just go. You'll see that it, as with a normal tail on a Unix machine, it grabs the first 100 lines or whatever, which you can, if you wish, clear like that. And then the tail will start collecting data. You can resize the columns like so. You can even pause that. It doesn't stop the tail, but just allows you to stay at one point on a display where you might have seen something you want to look at, and then you can continue it. Obviously it's been continuing the tail in the background. So we can stop that, and then your filter panel opens back up again. That basically was a quick start introduction, how to do a very quick search and a very quick tail. Goodbye.